Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your location in OmeTV. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to change your location, I recommend you to use VPN. You can use Google Chrome and you can add the VPN to the Chrome extension. And as you can see guys, these are the free VPN for Google Chrome. You can choose one of them, but for me guys, I prefer this one, the Urban VPN. You can just click on the VPN and then you can add the VPN to your Chrome extension. I have already added the VPN to my extension. Let me show you. Click on this menu. And this is the VPN I have added, and then I'm going to open the VPN. Okay, and we can change the location right here. So before you open the OmeTV, you can change your location, and I'm going to select, for example, USA. Okay, like this, and it's already connected guys. And after it's connected, you can open up the OmeTV. So you can open the OmeTV using Google Chrome, and I'm going to open it. And yeah, your location will be automatically changed after you activate the VPN. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change location in OmeTV using VPN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.